I'm up in traffic, know that my pistol be clapping. Run up, you thinking I'm lagging. Bitch, I'm a savage. I ain't
Hey guys, what's up with it? We're at Mesa.
Whoa.
Our plane,
It works.
it flew. Anyways, we're gonna do a mukbang.
We're just gonna start eating or whatever.
Get in the frame.
I am in the frame.
No more. Like,
Here.
so you don't have to be scooting over like that.
Okay, so I'm gonna be trying the iced tea first.
Yeah, we're gonna try the iced tea first.
Pretty good.
Sweet. Anyways, so I'm gonna try the mac and cheese. I kind of ate some, but
The potatoes, I already ate some, but
it's not bad for college food.
it's kind of dry. It needs a little bit of salt. But I'm black, so seasoning is like tea.
You already know.
But
Anyways, this mac and cheese is really, saucy. Like us.
you know. So yeah, it's pretty good.
We should tell you about us earlier. We were like a wreck.
Such a wreck.
Our Mesa ball just didn't work. The people who were judging it were like retards. Like,
They didn't even ask for an interactive notebook.
right. They didn't know what the freak they were doing. But... And also it's outside. So like the ground isn't level, Anyways, it's not that crowded in here. Like the other times that I come to Mesa, it's pretty crowded, but not very crowded.
I know that dude.
Me too.
Where do I know him from?
I feel like summer camp.
Oh, summer camp?
Summer camp. Did you go to summer camp?
Hannah finally got more food in me, so I gotta get more. We finally got more food in me, and I want this mukbang to be extra good, so I'm gonna go get more.
Okay. Okay, we're back. Angela wasn't gonna get food now, so.
But I am later on.
Let's try the burger.
Oh, I already tried mine.
It's okay.
Yes, so we're gonna be trying the hamburger from.
I got the regular hamburger, she got the cheeseburger. And I got
cheese.
toppings, she didn't.
I just got mayonnaise and barbecue sauce.
Me too. Oh, I got ketchup and mayonnaise.
I got barbecue sauce and mayonnaise. Same idea, same
Winter
sauces.
Sunday.
So,
Anyways. Thumbnail. Okay.
It's not bad.
The bottom is so hard.
Not mine.
Because I feel it.
Pretty hard. I almost broke my finger.
Damn, everyone's just Snapchatting me right now. Shit, I can't even get a napkin.
There better be an outlet somewhere because I need to motherfucking charge my phone.
This burger can be better, but I'm gonna try the meat sauce. Because I'm just a meaty gal.
Yeah, she likes her meat.
Pretty good. The meat's good.
I think the meat sauce is for the spaghetti.
Well, I can eat the meat sauce whenever I want. Period.
Damn, Hannah, your Snapchat is buzzing.
I know, everyone's just Snapchatting me today. Like at this moment, like no one was Snapchatting me when I was
Doing our mess ball.
serious.
We need that interview that we go through.
Bro, this burger is not good.
The burger? Yeah, the burger's okay. I'm not crazy about it. I'm gonna go get my food.
There's different companies around the region that support this program, and a big supporter over the years has been the Chevron Corporation. And I think here in a little bit we'll have a visitor from Chevron, Lily.
I would like Happy's here. Happy's here. I don't want to say the set. Yes! 9th, 10th grade category. Come on! From Hercules High School. Hannah and...
Okay, Hey guys, so today is the day.
Today we won our trophy.
A glider. We got first place, you know. We don't know where we're going, but me and Angela didn't think that we were gonna win.
Like
The glider.
but I saw a bunch of people in our class winning, and I was going to get so sad if we didn't win.
Yeah.
But we won.
You know, we won. Cause period.
Because that's what you do when you're just Hannah and Angela.
You know, regionals. You know, watch out.
It's gotta like reschedule my DMV appointment, but it's whatever.
It's okay because we. To be honest, if we get exempted from our exam in Italian, that all that matters because I'm not about to, you know, take that test.
How about we go access? She's up there.
Okay. Peace out.